Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric, a 554 rotary wall telephone in a really cool color. And this is Tina's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Tina purchased this telephone for her mother because she likes the older style equipment and the quality behind this type of telephone. And we have a note with this unit. It has some issues. The cover does not really want to stay on the telephone properly, and that's because the catch is out of alignment. And so we need to take a look at that situation. Now we also want to install a modular line port so that Tina can bring in any length line cord, any color that she chooses, plug right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We're going to be going through the transmit, the receive, the handset cord. We also want to troubleshoot the network. We want to make sure that this unit is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We're going to be going through the hook switch, and we need to go through the rotary. That needs to be cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. So we're going to be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and get some still pictures of this unit, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and adjusted the catch for the cover of this unit so that it fits tight and it does not rock back and forth. We also cleaned, oiled, and adjusted the rotary dial. We went through the hook switch. We also took a look at the network. We made sure that this unit was wired properly and that all the connections were tight. We troubleshooted the transmit, the receive, the handset cord. We also found that the bell was out of adjustment, so that was taken care of. All the issues were resolved. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out. Totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, April 11th. The current time, 10:14 p.m. and the temperature, 66 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric rotary dial wall telephone, a 554, has been repaired, we can return it to Tina and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.